In this video, I want to show you the convert to black/white paper feature of the Mega Pack. Now, what this will allow you to do is to convert any OpenOffice, PowerPoint or PDF file into a black paper file and vice versa. So basically what it does, it inverts the black on your document and the white on your document and swaps them over. So basically you have black paper and then your text and your content, for example, is in white. So to use this feature, next to choose an option, we want to go down to convert to black or white paper. Now the reason why it's to black or white is if your document already has and set up for black paper, then this feature will convert it back to white paper. So select that, hit OK, and then we want to choose the file we want to change. And as I mentioned before, we can choose a PowerPoint, OpenOffice or PDF, and it doesn't matter where these files are from. So it doesn't matter if your PowerPoint file is from PowerPoint, Keynote, or any other software that can create these files. Doesn't matter, it will still work. So for my first example, I want to show you a PowerPoint file. So let's choose my anxiety log here, hit open, and then let's call it anxiety log black paper, and then hit OK. And then that's done. So if I go in here and show you it, we have my original, as you can see, on white paper with black elements. And then we have my black paper version, which is on black paper with white elements instead, as you can see. And then you can run this feature again on the same file. So if you run it on the black paper file, it would then convert it back to this. And this process is exactly the same whether it's an OpenOffice or PowerPoint file. Now I'll quickly show you the PDF file feature. So we go back to convert to black or white paper, hit OK. And this time, if I select my PDF file here and click open, and then I save this. So this will again invert, let's save as PDF. Black paper in the same way that it does in the PowerPoint and OpenOffice files. Hit save, hit OK. Just wait for that to complete. So again, regardless of what software you've made your PDF in, if you've made it in Affinity Designer, Photoshop, Canva, wherever, you can still use this feature. And let me just go into my barbecue log, and then let's load the original, as you can see here. And then let's load our black paper version. Just wait for that to load. Then, as you can see, the same process that's happened in our PowerPoint file when we do it happens in a PDF file. The black content is turned to white and the white content is turned to black, like so. So I hope this quick introduction video to the convert to black/white paper feature of the Mega Pack helps you. Thank you for watching.